and welcome back to our channel. My name is Alicia and I am a food, travel and accommodation vlogger. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoy the content. And for today's video, I am actually at a resort called Baga Marina, which is located in Baga, which is just about 2 minutes on a bike ride from the Tito's lane. And I don't think it's even 2 minutes, probably it's 1 minute. It's just maybe 3 minutes of a walk from here until Tito's lane and the Baga beach as well. So I've stayed here in this property many times before, and I personally really recommend and like this property. So I'll show you what are the kind of amenities that they have. They have a pool, they have a poolside bar and restaurant and everything inside. So let's go. Wow, check this place out. It's so beautiful and so lush green. So they have the pool area, which is that side, and I'll be showing you that in a bit. But for now, just check this place out. It's a beautiful, beautiful resort. And this is the reception area. So this is their pool area. It's a very, very nice pool that they have. They even have a kids pool as well. And the best part, what I like about this place is that you have these seatings in the pool and you can actually order for your drinks from here. So this is a bar that they have. So this is their dining, so your breakfast place as well, and they have an in-room dining available. So this is their deluxe room. It's quite spacious. Let me just show you the view that you get from here is of the pool. So this is the view that you get from here. They also do have another room that I'll be showing you in a bit. And this is their washroom. It's pretty decent, pretty decently sized as well. So they have a hair dryer and a glass partition for your shower. And they have a safe and an extra pillow. They have this luggage rack here. And then right at the entrance, they have a kettle and all of your tea, coffee stuff that can be made, some complimentary water, and a mini fridge as well. So let me see okay, so this is a storage. So this is their standard room. So let me go and show you what it looks like. So this is the walkway and this is the view. So the room is pretty much the same. I think the amenities and everything are exactly the same, except the view. So the other one had a nice pool view, and this one has a bit of a pool view, but not entirely. The toilet again is identical to the other one, so there's not much of a difference. So this is the gym area that they have, which is facing the pool. So they have some basic equipments. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be posting more and more of such fun videos giving you complete accommodation tours and also complete information about Goa. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on that bell icon, because you will get notified as and when I come up with a new video. So that's it for now, guys. Until we meet again, bye for now.